Okay, the second part of this lesson talks about percentile rank. Let me give you the straight definition of percentile. A percentile is a measure that's often used to report test data, such as standardized test scores. Percentile measures rank from the bottom and tell us what percent of the scores were below a given score. And what this means is, like, they use it a lot in I think the PSAT and different kinds of tests. You may be in the 95th percentile. If you're in the 95th percentile, that means that you scored higher than 95% of the students that took this test. They also use it in babies and growth charts. When somebody says they're in the 50th percentile of weight, that means that they're bigger than 50% of children their age. 80th percentile would mean they're bigger than 80% of the kids their age. If they're small, they're going to be in the lower percentile, like 20. That means they're only larger than 20% of the kids their age. So today we're going to talk about how to find percentile rank. So it's 3 steps. I'm going to show you the steps. You can pause it and take a picture of this if you'd like, and then we're going to do one problem where I walk you through it. The problems that do this, they involve charts and a lot of numbers, so I can't make it work without books, without things. So let's look. Do you want to make an appearance? You look like you want to make an appearance. Did you make an appearance in the last one? I don't know if you've made an appearance in this one. Haha, the video was like, no. Okay, anyway, sorry about that. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to order the data from greatest to least. Then you find the number of data values less than the chosen element and divide that number, the number of things that are below it, by the total number of data. And then multiply by 100. This, it's a little bit confusing, but if you want to screenshot it, you can. Now, let's do a problem. So the book gives us a set of data, and it's for countries. Let me make sure I have the thing right here. It says, here we go. Nope, there it is. It gives us a table, and the table shows the medal counts for some countries at the 2014 Sochi Olympics. And it says, find Canada's percentile rank. So it gives us this table, and it's all mixed up. So it's like 6, 15, 17, 24, 19. So what you have to do first is you take all that data and you order it from greatest to least. Now, this is the opposite of what you do when you're finding your median, but you find it greatest to least. So we go from 33 all the way down to 6. Total, there are, I think there are 10 pieces of data here. And they want us to find the percentile rank of Canada. So let's go to Canada and find out where it is. So Canada is right here. Okay, so step 2 is find the number of data values less than the chosen element. So the number of data values less than this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 numbers less than Canada. So we take that number, 6, and divide it by the total pieces of data. There are 10 pieces of data. So 6 divided by 10. And then we multiply that answer by 100. So 6 divided by 10 multiplied by 100 ends up being 60. Canada, for the medal count, is in the 60th percentile. Okay, let me just make one up. This should be interesting, okay, y'all? I'm gonna give random data. Let's go 5. Nope, we gotta go greatest to least. Let's go 20, 18, 17, 17, 13, 10. Okay? And let's find the percentile rank of 18. Okay? So I want to find the percentile rank of 18. So I first off find where it is and then count all the data points that are less than it. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 4 data points less than that divided by the total number of data points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 divided by 6. That reduces to 2/3. So then we say on our calculators, we say 2 divided by 3 is 0.66. 666, repeating. Multiply by 100, that would be the 66th percentile. If we rounded, it would be 66.6. It would round up to 67. So I hope that helps. The last half of your homework is going to have something to do with this. Have a great day. If you have any questions, let me know.